Objection. Your Honor, you have asked her so for the mosquito. Who was asked on the mosquito coil? Yeah, yes, you.
We go. Calm down. The job, I know that it is easy. But please calm down. Madam!
Yes.
If you throw your eyes down to an ear, I'm not telling you.
The patrol.
My beautiful lady, to prevent anything.
But please,
continue
there be until I get to the person who say I.
The patrol Debbie.
Please, audience will help us. Hey, we are now.
The patrol Debbie.
Hey, we are now.
Debbie.
Hey, we are now.
Debbie.
Hey, we are now.
Debbie.
Hey, we are now. This one.
Now one tear until.
I see. Your Honor, I want the court to know that this woman here has seen the person who take the kente to go to Amazon go and sell the kente. So he come to our office to come and witness. Luckily, he come from the same community, so he see the kente, he recognize the kente, then come and then we also follow up. Then we see that this young man is the one that he takes. So he buy the kente back, then he bring and then we bring. He buy or not buy? You asking me? I'm telling you. The
patrol Debbie. Any price. So how do you buy to sell it? The patrol say. Oh, Mr. Andy Muya. Maybe Bethy and maybe one money. Say me be a wabonting. Now may she shame say Epia. Ya shed and ya chana because Santo Man dear a sumbo power.
All right. Donna, I think I'll do something to ask next. Madam.
Yes, sir.
You say you go see the thing where?
In Dubai.
Are you the only one who go there?
I work alone, yes. But there were others from different countries as well.
You see a lot of Ghanaians there?
Well, not in that meeting.
When you go there, do you take video or picture of yourself in Dubai?
In Dubai or in the meeting?
In Dubai.
In Dubai, yes.
You post it on social media?
Not really, no.
But you have seen a lot of young people, when they travel, they take videos and they post on social media.
Yes, true.
Okay, can you step aside? Step small. You, hey, come here. Come. You think we are joking? Come here. Come and stand in the casket. We ask you one question, there you go. Come. You want to see him in the casket? Young man, how old are you?
Your Honor,
Yes.
in 3 years' time, I'll be 38 years old.
Good! Have you traveled outside the country before?
Yes, please, Your Honor.
You take video of yourself post before?
On paper.
Please, come and stand here. Have you heard somebody say Pt2 before?
Your Honor, at this juncture, I need a lawyer.
You are a court. Hey, I will beat you. That's why I want to show Your Honor something. That some people can do Pt2.
Dr. Frank Amwakohine, ni hao.
No, wait.
All the elders, ni hao.
Hey, young man. You are interpreting what he says.
Your Honor, I believe that is what he has told him to say.
I didn't.
It's a greeting.
You don't understand.
It's a greeting.
Yes.
The ladies, ni hao. The gentlemen, ni hao. And everybody, ni hao. Your Honor, ni hao. You greet ladies, you greet gentlemen, and there is everybody. The ladies and gentlemen, they are not part of everybody.
All right, please, Counsel, quickly.
You know there are children here. Your Honor, I'm only saying that there are children here. So when you say ladies, then we must act. So everybody.
So if you are children here and I didn't. If you are children here.
Counsel, if you have questions, they will say.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Please.
Wait, hold on. Yes.
Yana,
Yes.
I need your plans.
Uh-huh.
I say, yeah, I'll hear you should say, what you I'm so hey.
Oh! See, my make a section. Kejetia. Nyankopon okwan afa so bo bibia setie nyanya pe. Ye gom na tena sit.
Yeah, sanket.
Woni kopromoti no.
Enketwa no.
We ye kopromoti na tena sit.
No, you can't tell us that we are not. That you say something. Now you say we are the people. Why?
Your Honor, please, back to my question. Is there any children here?
Counsel.
Sorry, I didn't see because Chinese, our eyes is small.
Okay. Very first question, please. Can you tell this court your name, sir?
But I won't tell my because Chinese is one worker.
Want to sing we?
But let's say you're kind of
Tell this honorable court your name.
Chilao, my mind from Liha Hao.
Ni hao.
I feel no so chiamo.
Ni hao.
Chale.
I said ni hao.
The new house is rent.
If they continue again, I swear by my grandfather, if they continue again, he may help.
So, la Shishi, la ho, le hinimo, shila, hila ho. At all song. La ho, la shoshui, liha, limo, la ho.
Ni hao.
And Chania, what's the coffee? I will show you your name.
You know, sometimes you have to give them time. When you go to Chinese courts, you have never been to a Chinese court. You know, when you go to Chinese courts, as a sign of courtesy.
Yeah.
So allow them to greet.
They say if you go to the Rome, do what Rome do, and if you go to the China, do what the Chinese do.
Okay. So now we're in Ghana. On that premise, this is Ghana.
Okay.
This is my court, and here you greet one. You don't even greet. So now we've passed the greeting stage. We want to know his name. We want to get the details of the case, where he found the court. Counsel, these are the kind of questions that
Yes, Your Honor.
What is we?
I'm tushing the door soon.
What is we?
Shilai, lalai, liho.
Mashallah.
Mashallah, they have to watch out about a film.
Mashallah, you know, it's not Chinese.
What is mashallah?
Mashallah is Arabic language.
Well, yes.
No,
I told you, that is an international art curator. They met in Dubai. He's been dealing with a lot of Arabs.
Yeah.
So it comes naturally. Mashallah, and he does that. All of that. So, Your Honor, please.
One thing. Dancing, my sin. One
Saying it also. Take problem for the saying. I don't say.
I'm asking your name. Your name.
Silo. Limo.
Like water. Your name. Water. She said, patient here like water.
海鲜进来，
One thing, Coca-Cola.
你怕做啥的我写咯？我是你弟弟 Coca-Cola。
Yeah.
Your Honor. So, Mr. Coca-Cola,
Yeah.
tell us, where did you get this cloth?
然后阿得我讲些。这我都也听你。那我你把看 English 我放的嘛？
One thing.
哦，等下去哎，是来，然后因那么些那 marketo 是来，muri 是 clothes。
One thing la kente. Or say ah.
Ada apa? Oh.
Dabi, you're going to say.
Oh, no. Asa macam mana?
You're going to say, you're going to say.
Macam mana?
You're going to say, what do you mean? Oh.
Macam mana? Now why you doing rugby? And tomorrow I come and say, why you doing rugby? We are China. There was a day. We are China. You must come to China. China. We interpret that. What's it? Now what today? China.
You don't have spirit, you can't touch it. Your Honor, I have top case, but today's case is too much.
Okay.
Your life is spiritual matters.
Okay, Counsel. Look ahead, Counsel.
Please. Your Honor, I
have somewhere very important to go.
Your Honor, where to go back?
Somewhere.
Where?
My learned colleague, you must understand, Your Honor has changed court clerk.
Your Honor.
Please, Kejetia.
Okay. There is a Chinese code that Shen Guang 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 Shen Shen Heng, meaning a never. So, Liao, Shi Lili, Kente, Shi La Ho, Makate, Shi La Hao Mi.
She la kente. La mai.
Tell me what you do.
She la kente and she. Nyama dia.
That's the China.
That's a very important thing.
Every China.
Baby, I can't come back. Shema. Yes. Nyama dia makuto. Nyama.
Wait. What?
Your Honor, you know it's a spiritual.
No.
Your Honor in the kente.
Counsel.
So,
Yes, please.
Yes, I'm very interested. Because
Hold on.
right now, Your Honor.
Order.
Yes.
Order.
Let's look at this. Let's speak to you right now.
All right. Gentlemen,
Your Honor.
stand this way for me. May you down. Your Honor. Counsel. Counsel. Walk. May you down.
But you get it, so second day.
Your Honor, what's a cheap one?
Hey! Court to him, Nico guy, pa, me other.
If you want to pass out,
Of course, now wait till I'm going to see.
simple. Then I want to treat the other my baby. Baby, I do not want to be my case. Said this woman was talking about she traveling and she saw a growth. But this growth, I have this growth for a long time. I have this kente growth for a long time. So how come you send me to court that I stole a kente from a shrine?
No. Can we now proceed with it? Now, please tell us.
I don't get it.
Tell us.
I don't
Since
get
you
it.
can.
So what do we do to the interpreter?
No, come to think of it, Your Honor. Are you speaking Chinese?
That's right.
What's the Chinese?
It's about only getting moved on.
Your Honor.
Can let it rest?
Yes.
Or bringing the home just be a continue with 2 coins. And I'm the call, send your workers or explore, makes me explore. I buy this kente clothes from a different.
So, where did you buy it?
Now I have better in.
Oh, meaning to be out of the streets and so.
No, I buy it from the street. So I don't know what they are talking about. First of all, where are you from? I'm from China. You are from China? Yeah. And where are you staying?
Hey.
Huh? Where are you staying?
Your Honor,
I stay in Ghana.
no, China Nina or Kachi and one pizza.
Say Chinese. Okay, let me do this. Chinese. Okay, so I say. Or be what to say. What can I say?
Google.
Chinese you progress.
I just said.
China you progress.
I just said.
China. Hey!
Come.
China you no, China now tea.
I'm to Hong Kong.
Hong Kong there were Beijing and I said there were
Wait.
there were Japan.
Wait.
Now we're Chinese.
Wait, I told you wait. I make you China.
Hey, I brought a walk rap.
There is a Chinese code. There is a Chinese code. Guangzhou Fushan. There's a Blasu Jama. Where you? Now, what's in the country?
Counsel, do this for me, let's go.
Yes.
We know where he stands.
So quickly, tell us. You said you bought it on the street from
From Abuchi man.
From Abochi.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you ever seen this woman? Have you ever seen her before?
I don't think so.
Beautiful. And do you know the town called Kontochi?
I don't think so.
Have you been there before?
I don't think so.
So you have never met any of these people before in your life?
I don't think so.
So is this not for you?
I don't think so. But for this one, I think so. I own these clothes. Nobody can own this clothes. I own it.
So we can say that you are a owner.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to say that you bought this without notice. You don't know baby and free. What are you out on the streets?
What the came now told you about the future is very bad. That's it. So me, I don't care.
So clearly, like I said, he's gonna feed up purchaser without notice. He bought this without knowing where it is from.
Okay.
An innocent buyer. So and he paid a considerable amount for it, which means it is for him. He is not a thief. He has not stolen it. So let us find out who actually stole it.
Sit down. I'm requesting out.
No.
Counsel. Let's not do for these people.
Your Honor.
Where was he going?
Your Honor.
Yes.
I just want to know whether I'm done. Thank you.
So what kind of prayer? I'm going to pray. I speak to you.
Yeah.
What kind of prayer? I'm going to pray.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to say what kind of prayer, I told you to one.
Yeah. I told you to wait.
I told you to wait.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm maybe I told you to wait, you know. Mommy, be out or your balcony. After area, go up there or now. I told you to wait. I want to be what here. Thank you. Maybe I told about this. What kind of prayer? I'm thinking.
Oh yeah.
So I can't come on the temple. I told you, Mommy, I'm going to wait. Can you pray? Not the people who say,
Oh I've read that.
What's it? I'm going to
Abroa.
Hey, Collab seal.
Sorry, bro.
Oh, Obemia, I never said that. Obemia.
Oh, can't pray.
Quit. I heard of police case. Police case big gap. What did you? Minimum, young man.
I don't know. Be the idea more view. Obi to be in idea of this on the idea that was. Oh, they put a man.
When you said,
Where they? We are married.
I won't have quit. 92.
Your Honor, Officer may be question. I didn't have question. Thank you very much. Your Honor, if you want the whole thing, the young man is speaking. Obama, you see yourself. He said that I get a question to what here. That means from the look of things, it is about him who give this one to him, true or false?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? But what do you think so?
I think she gave it to me.
You think she gives you? Your Honor, we will rest our case. We will rest our case.
Objection, my lord. My lord, I told you earlier that my name is Lawyer Nuruddin.
Yes.
I'm a traditional lawyer.
Yes.
So when I'm coming,
Yes.
we do everything. This kente, you will find it. And now see what is happening. Those who called one lawyers, they couldn't see anything.
So you are solving the case. You have done spiritual things.
Yes.
Okay, so now, Counsel, you have some questions for them? Hold on.
Yes.
Oh.
What? Oh.
Hold on. Not yet.
Let him talk if he has some.
She can't talk. The lawyer can have an objection. She can't talk.
Okay.
Counsel.
Now, you see that anytime I want to talk, then some people will interrupt.
Yes.
But if I say something, they will think it's for them. Little drop of water. About him, the way you take the kente crop. Where we have ballot box, darling. Whoa. Where we have ballot box, darling.
Objection, my lord.
Relevant, Counsel.
About him, wako akonda na.
Relevant.
Because she looked like Langard with bullets by her side.
Retract and move on to your question.
The bullets.
No.
Like, okay. I'll take a shot of you, okay? You, now you speak Tree a lot. You speak English. You stay at Atosu. You ever true go to China?
I don't think so.
Sister, please come. Yes, now you are the only China woman. Come. Don't worry. China people, you are fearless. Oh, please, you too. Come. Please put your hands together for Lee. Yeah. Please, you go and stand in the casket. Anybody who come here can be there. You know, it's not only Galaxy who are here today. You do. Yana, give him mic.
They don't speak
Where is the microphone?
They don't speak any language. I interpret.
So give him the mic.
Mike.
Yeah. Yeah, go on. Where are you from? Ni hao yanchi.
Counsel.
I'm from Japan.
Apostle.
Konnichiwa.
I'm telling you,
Your Honor.
Japan, South Korea, North Korea, China, Taiwan, you are one. Asia. All Asia. If you are not one, can you do this? Do this. Why you people, everything that we have, you do imitate for us. You everything, cloth, you can do some. Tell us why. You are very industrious.
Oh, you can talk in your language. I will interpret.
No, you tell us.
No.
Oh, I can interpret.
A lot of thank you. A lot of fabrics.
Sir.
Tell us why your industry it go far. Every country you have something there. Tell us.
Your Honor, I was in the way on the cry.
I'm laughing to hear.
I was also
Counsel, step this way so I can.
I was in the way on the
Step this way.
Be careful.
Counsel,
Please listen to your.
what is your name?
Please speak to them.
Please go.
You hear what he's saying? Do you understand it? A little. So make it as simple as possible.
Help me. Help me.
As quick as possible.
Japan, you produce fabric. True or false? True. You produce African fabric.
No.
You don't produce African fabric.
No.
So any African artifact or artwork or anything that we see there come from Africa. True or false? Good. So it is possible that somebody can steal something from Africa and bring it to Japan. True or false? Say it. After today, you will know that something is here. Thank you for clarifying everything for us. God bless China. Did you qualify for the World Cup? Japan, did you qualify for World Cup?
Yes.
World Cup. USA, Canada, Mexico.
Yes.
You were playing football at the World Cup.
Yes.
Yeah.
Slow down.
Like 2015 or 2016, if like the lights go up unless next week. But now that they come back again, the reset is working. Next time, you see. So it means that this cloth, particularly
know this woman? You come together and send it abroad, two of us.
I don't think so.
You think so?
Because just
about the send the copy abroad.
I will be a number for my church.
I will. My so I said, I am not present your money at Kejetia. Maybe you know. Reason that be to my bill. But you cannot cry and it's made of your one chair.
I don't want to make cancer community to surprise and get this.
I will say, I brought you to our way. Wouldn't you know? We are Chinese. Obey.
Now you, Your Honor, you see Chinese in your world before. If you see Chinese in your world, then it's Pepsi adverts. Woman, do you know Yokozuna? Yokozuna.
Okay, back to it. Mommy. Hey, your back. On your Chinese. Why not then to Manoma, a branch?
Your Honor, price you.
How much?
Because we don't go do honor. Sister, you may dance. Price a woman. Your Honor, young Kejetia, many of from home.
Mommy. Now they are all on your side. Mommy, Mommy, also price. Also, they now can be say.
Price room.
Today.
I can make that from home. Not having tongue. Yet you ain't no beer. Donna, open your brand new tear rubber.
Catch it, 1, 2. One look what you
I ran to Bra.
I'm not ready a money and the come was up. You don't have from my Nasa minute to 1 crown. Wouldn't it mean a number more fra? A son and I baby.
Hold on.
Hey, how about to Mama? Hey,
Obama, I'm saying a quite one price. What is
How much?
I have $2.5 million. Just look at the money.
Or Abua here Kumanana ne. Mako kontochi. Amamina ni amani ni eda na die no. Ye tuyafo. Ye na nanwa bre ya redi ani. E de moja gu form. Apeja patika sti amami no mienu. Na sika wo. Ni na experience. Ya ni na experience. Ya todi ya no ya kenta si aya na nanwa ya ma ya. Eti na ira. Eti ni business set. Fatia fatankroma. E kwada wada ndua gudu do sai. Ena ni ntuma ya ka ho asem. Obi am papa tia ho. Ye na nanwa pa gudi abu ya dem. Na su ye na ye bedi enti. Ya kwa chiri wo ba ya sa. Ye ka ni na ne se. Ajapade bi aya na nanwa bi cha ya tumi wom. Ye hye ni ye. Umi ye hye ni ye. Na ya mo ho ban. Na ni yare tom. How ni abebrese enkwada na enne ahita yesu ni na afiri ya na nanom anam o mutu ya ya fa ni die afa mo mampo kontonchi o say yeah o say yeah ya na nanom ya da masio
Okay. No, okay. What? Is this not the time where the dwarf will disappear? Okay.
One more thing. Let me see that. Oh, can you hear me?
Na case no one say.
Na be from case mo ba.
2.5 million agent and it will be me say nja woka.
Me tin be na ko fa be ba say me interpret ma.
Shin na be.
Okay, this is the point where in the end so be a ponia. Yen kase ade na yira ide enti ni jana manafo.
Awo free.
I was say asotwe a esefata no.
Awo free.
Awo me abi.
The two of you,
including the lawyers, including the elders.
Who me no be jani say man.
Yona.
Abewa, brami amonko.
Osi me bi.
Ono mami ase, ono mami.
Abewa be jani say man. Brother, what you got?
I can't form man. I can't form man.
Okay, they are done with no. Me check Keniasu. It was here.
What to the blow?
I beg before you say it. Somebody say this one. Why long time you don't give this program that we are come to end the agreement? What do you mean by this one? The told you
Send your dano, yeah, no, Sunyano. Or before from Rabba, attend. Doctor, the patron. The show must my. Never say, what's your doctor?
What's that?
Microphone.
Order. Ladies and gentlemen, we want to thank you for your rapt attention. So last year, around the same time, this year our higher CCB auditorium and our Ashanti Fest 2025, the year Jesus versus Judas. We are saying, we are at for 21 days, it becomes your character or your second nature. A free Ashanti Fest 2025. I remember clearly CCB auditorium here, I was Akwaba versus Obake. Sunane was Akwaba versus Obake. Ashanti Fest 2026. And I'm going to kente ho asem and our bread. Abusi amoma mo sam kese e fama. So what it tells us all is Kumawood, Kejetia versus Makola, any creatives, no. For the past 1 year, you have been consistent. Did the chair say, your food, your pan, piano. This is more fruit, your pan, I want to assure you on behalf of His Excellency the President, say, Piano was your piano, we will push you for you to be able to bring this to us. Oba hey, so what in Jane Graham, you're sure so the push you. First, and now Saturday in Arabia, Yahoo, Keystone concert party, Yahoo cantata, Yahoo by the fireside, Yahoo Kumawood movies, your screens is so. Now, and Yama, it preach unity, loyalty to state. See a benya, a hofama, and Yamo, minor, Santimine, you adore our intelligent. Sad in the free war, and then Yasha Obruni, the any Obru for the eno. Anamanti Timu, Papa Mu, Nanticha, the Bene Abba. Enti, Yabasia can use a say. Kumawood is back again. Drama Lord is here to stay. And we love the collaboration. Before our performance, I saw a group from Sunyane, that is Earth Dreams Entertainment, performing fantastically here on this very platform. We are in for all progressive forms of partnerships in making sure, say, Yabekwa near reviving the local movie industry. Two things, and I see what you call for me now, Sagranti one, Mamukobino. Moshe Yam Kuku Ashanti Dia, I had the worst of defeat in the history of Ashanti Kingdom. It took Omoahu to betray the kingdom and sell our information to the British for them to be able to defeat us. Yamami, on one at a what it is, so was it Udono, was it the Papa one? So what it means, you say, so be Ebenya one na abu obi bekawa and to manuel and to manage. So what it means is we should keep a very pure heart. We should love each other without any reservations whatsoever, and we should protect each other. Next year you see a kofa de na de be show obi ntino na ya kwa kofa ni asaba betna a chire wa ha ese dia dance funu ya tosu mi eri ese ya mamre ni ya mane. But if was say, Ure feel chrome, Henny Abaya, without obedience. You move a brave, and then because of exposure to the global world, you know, we also have from who. You didn't say, Abia Abrofubi Nayama before everybody in your team. We are one people with one destiny under the Republic of Ghana in Africa, and we must take charge of our future in making sure, say, we redefine Africa, we redefine Ghana. So we want to ask everyone gathered here, say, Yanka Yahumum, Niam Dodi Asantamai, Niam Dodi Ghana, Yanesa, and or minor ever coin. And the Bonia, my idea, that the Chamu need you.
A report for you. I got it from the Kumasi
and the Accra Metro. They say, good evening, Ghana. Good evening.
Good evening, Uncle.
Yo, but before you two go, you mentioned that first we have concert party and all those stuff. We are privileged to have one of the longest serving concert party people in our midst, Mr. Beautiful.
Put your hands together for Mr. Beautiful. Mr. Beautiful, join us here. Mr. Beautiful, put your hands together for him as he comes upstage. Our legends our movie industry, any creative industry back on. Mo abakani na momra slide who momra na momra from a train. Kumawood phone na momra upstage. Mo hani na momra mo myself can see from upstage. Let us recognize them. Pusha, and I know Pusha no. Wow. Put your hands together for them once again. Hey, help him up here. So together, we would be able to revive the industry. Again, we have seen a lot of concerns on most of the platforms. I'm invited and all that. I want to assure you, see, who are those concerns? After Ashanti Fest 2026, Drama Loki, Kumawood.
Celebrate our legends for an amazing stage play. The Kente Wahala.